in St. Louis, coming to you from behind the wheel of our Warwick Grey 1961 MGA Speedster. We acquired this car late in the summer from a long-term owner of over 10 years, and this car was modified under previous ownership to resemble the MGA Le Mans racers of the 1950s. You'll note it has a front and rear bumper delete and this lovely plexiglass Speedster style windscreen reminiscent of the Porsche 356s. What makes this car so unique is not just its appearance, but it's what it packs under the hood. This car is actually powered by an MGB drivetrain. It has an MGB 1.8 liter and a fully synchronized 4-speed gearbox, which makes it really fun to drive and a lot more practical. So we've been behind the wheel for about 5 minutes now. You note our oil pressure is still holding steady at 60 PSI. Water temperature right now is about 160. This car is what a lot of MG enthusiasts would consider to be a hot rod, just because with the Speedster, period racer appearance and the MGB drivetrain. This car has a Monza-style muffler with dual tips, and the exhaust note is fantastic for an MGA. Really does feel like you are driving a period race car. Been behind the wheel for about 10 minutes now. Currently cruising about 55 miles an hour. Engine in 4th gear, holding about 3,400 RPM. Oil pressure 50 PSI, and water temperature 170. Not bad at all. Car stops very well and even for 4-wheel drum brakes. This fully synchronized 4-speed MGB transmission is just a gem. Really makes rev matching that much more intuitive and responsive. About 15 minutes of driving, water temp got up to 190, and we're still at 3,000 RPM, holding over 50 pounds of oil pressure.